So I'm Scott, I own Dynamic Pipeworks, and we are a small drainage firm based in Warkworth. So we started the business in May 2021, and it was just me. Bought a little dinky ute for about 10,000 bucks off my brother. Now we've got 13 people working for us. We didn't know what we didn't know, and so it was more like keeping track of budgets. I'd just be out pricing jobs as much as I could. So there's a lot of driving around, trying to price jobs and then trying to do the jobs. And then sort of starting working with Mike, we've streamlined a lot of my processes, put a lot more time and energy into the background of our Zero, worked on how I'm pricing things, worked out what it actually costs to run my business and the pros and cons of whether we hire equipment, whether we buy equipment, what equipment we should buy first, or a lot more long-term thinking rather than week to week. It's really dialed in the importance of customer service. What is the point of what we're doing? And so by having these systems and processes that Oxygenate has helped us implement, our pricing structure so we can spend more time on site, managing the client's expectations, and help train our guys up. So things like that, right? Rather than sort of being in the office and trying to price more work, made a huge difference to how we sit in the construction market. I suppose when I started the business, I was a Drainlayer, and Oxygenate has helped me basically step from the Drainlayer role into a business owner role. I'm now a teacher or a mentor, and so Oxygenate has made that possible and made that transition incredibly smooth and seamless. I suppose we're financially more stable. I've been able to employ my partner Courtney to help with things, and the business is in a position that can pay us both, and we've got good job security. Working with Oxygenate makes it a lot easier because you've got someone you can call. You get stuck and you can ring someone who hasn't got that emotional attached to your business. They've got the best interest for you in mind, and so when you ring them, they've got a bit more of a clearer view on what the problem is and how you can sort that problem out. When I was working by myself, it was just you. You'd have to figure things out for yourself. You just have to learn by making mistakes. And so now having someone in your corner to help you before you make those mistakes, it makes all the difference. It has made a huge difference for us, and it makes all the difference having somebody there to back you up. Build your dream. You start a business because you've got an idea, you've got a passion for something, and so you put that passion down on a bit of paper, and it's like, oh right, that's what we're working towards, and that's what Oxygenate help you with, to help you achieve your goals.